Hey everyone, welcome back. I got a new project car for the channel. I want to introduce my 95 GS300. Honestly, this is a solid platform, classic 90s styling, clean body lines, and of course it has a 2JZ. The plan is simple, just going to add a little boost. It's a non-VVTi, so it has the thicker rods, so the motor is perfect for turbocharging. When I first got it, I had some GTR wheels laying around, so I went ahead and threw those on. I also installed a front lip. It's actually from a 98 Honda Accord. I'll throw the link in the description below. I also got a pair of Lexus IS350 seats. I've been test fitting those in the interior. Honestly, I think the lip and the wheels, it came out pretty clean. As you know, with project cars, nothing is ever perfect. The car was driving fine, and then recently it just stopped starting. So before throwing random parts at it, I went ahead and went through the basics. The battery, good. Relays, tested and working. All the fuses are good. And everything right now is pointing towards the fuel pump. I have power at the pump, but it's still not starting. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and replace the fuel pump. I ordered a replacement, so that's the next move. If you dealt with something like this before, or you see something I might be missing, go ahead and throw it in the comments below. I always appreciate the input. Honestly, I'm excited about the build because, I mean, it's a 2JZ. You get reliable performance. The plan is simple, just a clean setup, nothing crazy. Suspension, wheels, and of course turbo. But first I gotta get the car running, so in the next video I'll be installing the fuel pump to see if that solves our problem. If you're following, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.